Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about something super important. 12 daily habits that are destroying your brain. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss out on more life-changing content. Let's dive right in. Number 1, skipping breakfast. Your brain needs fuel to function properly, and skipping the most important meal of the day can leave you foggy and unfocused. Always try to have a nutritious breakfast. Number 2, lack of sleep. Not getting enough rest can impair cognitive functions like memory and decision-making. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Number 3, excessive screen time. Staring at screens all day can strain your eyes and make it harder to concentrate. Take regular breaks and consider using blue light filters. Number 4, multitasking. It might feel efficient, but multitasking actually reduces productivity and increases errors. Focus on one task at a time. Number 5, dehydration. Your brain is about 75% water, and dehydration can have a severe impact on its performance. Keep a water bottle handy and stay hydrated. Number 6, negative thinking. Dwelling on negative thoughts can lead to stress and anxiety, which are harmful to your brain. Practice mindfulness and positive thinking. Number 7, poor diet. Consuming too much junk food and sugar can impair brain function. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Number 8, lack of physical activity. Regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain and can improve cognitive function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily. Number 9, smoking. The toxins in cigarettes can restrict blood flow to the brain, affecting its health and function. If you smoke, seek help to quit. Number 10, excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking too much can damage brain cells and impact memory. Moderate your alcohol intake. Number 11, ignoring mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're struggling. And finally, number 12, lack of learning. Your brain needs constant stimulation. Engage in new activities, read, solve puzzles. Keep challenging your mind. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so you never miss out on content that can help you live your best life. Your brain will thank you. Until next time, take care.